of a lightning link. Welcome, you guys, and this is day number 27. We're almost to the finish line. 3 more days left. And we need to win some big monies in the last 3 days. So let's start off with 1 cent denomination, $1.50 bet. Ooh, you need 6 of these chips for that hold and spin bonus. Oh, come on, 3 of these briefcases for free games. Come on, 2 more. Ooh. Appreciate you guys joining me today. 1 more. Oh. Joining me today, we're winding down on our 30-day series on lightning. Oh, come on, 1 more. Oh, my gosh. As mentioned before, we will be starting up another 30-day challenge. Playing Dollar Storm. We're looking for that super grand chance ball to land during 1 more. Oh, the roulette wheel is the best symbol on this game. Come on. Down 20 bucks, no bonus yet. Let's move up to 5 cent denomination, $1.25 bet. Come on. 2 more, 2 more. Oh. Go, go. Oh my gosh, where are you? Where are you, bonuses? 2 more, 2 more, 2 more. Well, high stakes. Not really doing much right now. We're already down to 65 to all. 3 more. Let's go back up to 10 cents. Let's do $2.50 on 10 cents. How about that? Come on, 2 more. 3 more. Oh. We want to win on these last 3 days. Come on, 1 more. Oh. We really need it. If you haven't been following us through this journey, make sure you do and catch up. Oh my gosh, 3 more. Oh, you bum. That's the worst, right, you guys? There's a link to the playlist down below in the description box. Come on. Oh, where were those 3? Come on. Well, we're half. 2 more, 2 more, 2 more. Thank you. Wow, these are 1 and 2x chips. Smallest numbers you can get, but that major can come back. I'll quit this video right now. I'll quit it right now. Come on. Yes, thank you. Thank you. $10, finally. 5x chip, thank you. Well, together, $10. Another 5. Okay, another 5. Okay, we have 2 more left. I don't see anything that, ooh, we got a mini for 100. You guys, we are in Profitsville. Oh, nice, huh? I don't see anything in there, but it could come back. You never know. Almost $12,000. Do it. Yeah. I'll take that mini for 100 though. Yeah. We are definitely in Profitsville. I'm glad I moved it up to a 10-cent denomination, 250 bet. $62 win. Wow, we doubled up, you guys. Well, again, could be a short video. We will see, because what do? We always flush the toilet here. 200. I'm going to stop at 200, you guys. That only gives us like 5 spins, or I'm sorry, like 4 spins. We got to do backup spins. Come on. That'd be awesome to get another bonus during that time. My gosh, never thought we were gonna make a profit and hit that mini for $100. So our last spin right here. Come on, oh my goodness. What is a market situation right there? It might be give us one more spin here. And that's it. I'm gonna cash out doubled up because we really need it, you guys. We're $100 in, $200 out, and that was, day number 27 on high stakes. I'm glad you are here for it. Join me tomorrow. Last 2 days. Oh, I'm sorry. 28, 29, 30. We have 3 more days left. Make sure you join us for that. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.